Hey guys, so we have a quick unboxing and a review of the Ringke Flex case for the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. And let's go and take a look at the Amazon page first. So you can get this for around $11 on Amazon, and it's available in 4 colors. And I went ahead and got the gray version of it. But I will put a link to this up in the description for you guys to check out yourself. So looking at the description, this is a dual-layered case of a durable TPU. You have good grip on it, protection, you have all the cutouts for USB Type-C port, all that. And it also works with wireless charging. It's also thin and lightweight, which I definitely like for a bigger phone like this. Alright guys, let's go and take a look at the case itself. Now unfortunately, no unboxing knife needed for this. I'll give you guys a quick look at the outside of the box first. But obviously pretty simple. Just about $10, so don't go expecting too much from it. Okay, so we have a thank you. I think it's probably a warranty as well. So there's some info there for Ringke. Now look at the case itself. Pretty nice material on it. It is a fake leather. And actually, you know what guys? This is not dual layered. I don't think so. Yeah, it's definitely not dual layered, but it still seems pretty sturdy. Obviously not the most sturdy, but for $11 I think it's pretty decent. So on the inside you have a lot of texture to it. And the outside has a decent amount of texture, but not really that much. Not much of a grip here on the sides. So the back, yeah, it does have a decent amount of grip on the back, but the sides may be a bit slippery. Let's go ahead and put it on real quick. Now in terms of looks, it's pretty awesome looking, and we still have access to the edge bar here. So the edges on the sides are not raised, but it is on the top and the bottom. So if you go like this, phone will be just fine. Now looking at the edges, as you guys see on the bottom, we have a cutout here for USB Type-C and the headphone jack. Some buttons here. The power button seems to be pretty good. Has a nice click to it. Nothing at the top, nothing needed there. And the volume marker, let's go and test that out. Yeah, nice click to it. And the Bixby button, if anyone actually cares about that. I actually wish it was on the phone, but that does work. And again, it has a pretty good feel to it. Now this case is very, very thin and light, but it still has a decent amount of protection, I think. And looking at the back, you guys see we have the cutout right there for the camera. And nothing else needed aside from that. So you do have some nice grip here at the bottom, but you're not really going to be holding your phone from here. Also, the edges on this hug the phone pretty tightly and are very secure. So just for example, with another Ringke case. I actually was going to do a review on this, but unfortunately that video got lost because my computer broke. But as you guys see with this Ringke case, the edges are not secure on it. So not a huge deal, but slightly annoying. So I do have the design on this, the looks, the feel, the weight, all excellent. And really, there's only, I think, 2 downsides to this. One of them is obviously it's not a huge case, it's only a single layered case, so it's not going to provide a lot of protection if you drop it. And personally, since the phone is already pretty big, I'd rather have a smaller case on it. And the other, I think, downside to it is a tiny bit slippery. Not that much, but the grips on this are not that good. So for around $11, it's a pretty solid case. I would recommend it, but let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Now I do have some more Galaxy S8 Plus case videos on the channel, so go and check those out if you want. I'll go ahead and put them in the corners there for you all to check out. And as always guys, thank you for watching.